Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Da na 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 na. Tessica and Spatchcorn watching Tessica and Spatchcorn. It's a vortex! Probably shouldn't have screamed that.
What if we film us filming it?
Yeah.
The vortex.
I want the part with the claw.
It's a lot of different things.
No. Let the viewers tell us.
Yes.
Whatever.
Comment. You need to comment on all our videos, or I will know who you are, because you tell us you watch it. So I will hunt you down and come to your house and bring a unicorn horn and stab you with it in the knuckle. Tell your friends about our show. Tell your family, tell your cousins, tell the hobo across the street, tell the squirrel in your backyard. Tell everybody. We need to make this amazing, okay? We are at an all-time low. We need to be like up here. Call the octopus in your garage. Text them. Use telepathy. You know, see that globe right there? Yeah, okay. You're gonna take that globe and you're gonna spin it around and you're gonna point at it, and whatever your finger stops on is a country you have to tell about us. That's important. Let me show you a graph. So look at this. Let me see, are they gonna get
Yeah, it is.
Okay, see that little mappy thingy? See, this little area right here, okay, that is us. That is Alaska. And now I don't know if you can see it. No, zoom out. Good. Now zoom in somewhere over here. Okay, good. See, this little area is a very light yellow. So is this little area over here. That's Scandinavia. We need to make this color. Got it? Dark green. Or this. Get it? Got it. Good. Do it, or I will throw this piece of crust at you. That is what bullying is, kids.
Not anymore.
I like turtles.
Meow.
I like turtles. Look, I have to wear this stupid thing. That was scary.
It's okay, that happens all the time.
Okay. See? It's stupid.
We're gonna look at Tessica.
Look what she posted. I like turtles. And then Spatchcorn changed her name. Oh, Spatchcorn Shabalaba Ding Dong. Now everyone's gonna friend her. You won't even know them. Tessica is crying because Dumbledore just died. Zoom in on the tears. It's terrible. And see.
You guys, viewers of this show, I have an announcement to make. Very important. So listen closely. Tessica is being bullied by me, Sparkles, and
Spatchcorn!
Dun dun dun.
This is new Squirter Ring. The ring, the squirter, filled with water. so many things you can do with it. I have a volunteer to show us how many ways you can use the squirter ring.
Hey, nerd.
What?
Let's see, where's my lunch money?
I don't want to give you lunch money anymore. Because I need food too, you know?
Yeah, well, maybe I don't want to bring my own money because I have better stuff to spend it on.
Well, ask your parents.
No. Ask your parents for my money.
No.
Didn't we make an agreement earlier in the year that every day you would give me your lunch money and keep like 25 cents for your own?
Yeah, well, I'm sick of it.
Oh, well, should I step on your foot?
No, you shouldn't.
Give me a good reason. Why?
Because I don't want to give you lunch money, and I want to use my own lunch money. You are perfectly capable of asking your mom for money.
No, I'm not. She, ditched my family, 3 years ago.
Bully alert! First example. Now, the second example. Today, we are going to learn about weather. See, here on the grid, the sun orbits the Earth, and the moon is right here. See, the sun gets so hot that it absorbs water into the atmosphere, and then it rains. Make sense? Boring teacher alert! Hit me with the beat, Sparkles. Hit me, Audra. I meant hit me with the beat. Oh. Cocoa powder and boiled milk. It's gonna taste like silk. In your mouth. Cocoa. Yeah. I'm so G, I can't even see. I need these glasses all the time so I can see. Oh, I'm a Harry Potter geek. I even got a broom from the H-Dog. Yeah. I got this clock around my neck. Everybody say, the heck? I don't need alcohol. I got Skulker from the mall. I went today in this work. I said, hey. There was also this nerd who was like, Harry, 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 Harry. This cup is pink. What do you think? There's that weird guy over there. He's smelling his cigarette. It's Sparkles and I'm scared of monsters because the monster in a